In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Wix Marketplace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just getting started with building websites, joining the Wix Marketplace is a fantastic way to showcase your skills, get noticed by potential clients, and even expand your business opportunities. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account and navigate straight to your site's dashboard. If you don't have a Wix account yet, it's easy to sign up on their website. Once you're logged in and at your dashboard, you'll have access to an array of tools and features designed to streamline your website management experience. Next, from the dashboard, make your way over to the Wix Partner Program page. Here, you should see options to join the program. Look for a button that says Join Now or Become a Partner. Clicking this button sets you on your journey towards the marketplace. The Partner Program is designed to help you get the most out of your Wix experience with exclusive features and benefits specifically for partners. Now let's talk about earning points, one of the key criteria for becoming a recognized partner. Start by building websites using your Wix Studio account. The more websites you build and upgrade to Premium, the more points you accumulate. Premium sites also offer advanced features and functionalities which are appealing to clients. This is an excellent opportunity to not only polish your skills, but also to beef up your portfolio with top-notch websites. In addition to building and upgrading websites, you can earn points by completing Wix certifications. These certifications help validate your expertise in various aspects of website creation using Wix. By completing these, you show potential clients and Wix that you are dedicated to your craft and knowledgeable about the platform. Once you've amassed enough points and your application has been accepted, you will gain entry into the marketplace. This is where the magic happens. Inside the marketplace, you have the opportunity to showcase your work to a broader audience. It's essentially a platform where your talents are displayed for clients to see, potentially matching you with great projects. And that's how you join the Wix Marketplace. By following these steps, not only do you gain access to one of the leading web development platforms, but you also open doors to new projects and client relationships. So, get started, explore the possibilities, and make the most of what Wix has to offer. Thank you for tuning in, and I wish you the best on your journey to becoming a Wix Marketplace pro.